Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get the Kraken badge in slap battles. First, equip the squid glove, which requires 750 slaps. Then, find a friend who has the fish glove. They will need to slap you off a cliff in the normal arena into the void. This action has a chance to teleport you to the Kraken boss battle. To begin your quest, you must first equip the squid glove, which requires 750 slaps to obtain. Next, you'll need a friend who possesses the fish glove. Have them slap you off a cliff in the normal arena, sending you into the void. There's a random chance this will teleport you to the abyss, where the Kraken boss awaits your challenge. During the battle, focus on avoiding the Kraken's powerful tentacle slams. Watch for red cracks on the ground, which indicate where the tentacles will strike. Zooming out your camera can help you see these indicators more clearly. Once a tentacle gets stuck after an attack, quickly slap it to deal damage. If two tentacles are close, hitting the gap between them can inflict double damage. After successfully defeating the Kraken boss, the Escape the Abyss badge will be instantly awarded to you. This achievement signifies your mastery and perseverance in slap battles. Remember, if you fail, there's a 5-minute cooldown before you can attempt the boss battle again. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.